I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high.
Thank you for coming on time and looking lovely. I see all your glorious textures and styles. Amazing. My name is Claire, as Ron Kane has said. I'm brand ambassador for As I Am Naturally, and I'm a senior stylist at Missybeelondon. Today, what we're going to do is exciting because we don't get to do this at other hair events because we have this salon environment. So we're going to take you from the washing process to the styling process all the way through. So you'll get to see how to, one, cleanse your hair and scalp thoroughly, and how to do that to avoid further tangling, and how to do it to save time, because we know ain't nobody got time every day to be washing. That's right, you're nodding like, yeah. Yes, right. So who agrees with me that time is of the essence when it comes to wash day, right? Yes. That's correct. So also what we're going to do today is, so we're going to do the cleansing. I'm going to show you how to cleanse the hair. So my lady Alicia downstairs. Hello Alicia, wave to us. We're going to move over there in a moment. And then over here, we have already prepped Tiffany for a twist out, but I've left a few sections up here for us to do together. So I'm going to show you how to effectively do a twist out so you can get your successions and your curls. And so also how a tip that I use to reduce shrinkage, because you know that shrinkage is real. Shrinkage is real. We want shrinkage. We don't want shrinkage. And with my lady here, I've just got my creative juices going, combining some twists and some bantus. Some of them got a bit looser because we've got change, but life is real. I'll show you how to tighten them up. And at the back here, I'm going to show you how to effectively remove a twist out and effectively remove a bantu, so you can then further be empowered to wear different styles and how you work. Are you with me?
Yes.
Yeah? A bit later on, we're going to go into further about where As I Am came from, how we started, and our vision for the future. But I want to get real stuck into hair. Do you want to get stuck into hair now? Yeah. Should we get in?
Yes.
Yeah, let's get in. So you guys will come on time, and you should get the juice up today. So ladies, I'm going to leave you here. I'm going to go down there. But before I do that, I'm going to bring a few tools with me. Tangled tools. Are you ladies okay to stand up and come with me? If you would like to, it's going to be by the base. Our marketing is going well there. Tried it before. What we're going to do right here, I'm going to show you how to cleanse the hair, flakes and the scalp, but you are able to cleanse your hair and think, why is this still happening? I'm washing my hair how many times and there's still dandruff on my scalp. I'm going to show you the tricks of the trade today. And it's going to reduce time because you'll be like, why didn't I think of this before? Why didn't nobody tell me? Alright, so I know you see my lady's hair now, you see it straight and you think, what kind of devil is this? She's got straight hair. I tell you, my lady's hair is curling. It's super curly. We like to do blow dries to have it smooth, because with our hair type, it's good to have a choice. Say I if you agree that we should have a choice with our hair type. I. We are in London, not North Korea, where they only have a choice of 30 hairstyles. We can have any hairstyle that we like. So what we're going to do, lean the head up for one flat. All of this section, one flat. All of this section, one flat. And cleansed it exactly the same way as I did Alicia just there at the sink. So because I had re-twisted them back together, that was already detangled, all of that stress of wash day has been gone. Because a raise of hands if you would say that the detangling process is the lengthiest part of wash day. Thank you for being honest, it is really true. And if we are not patient, we can cause more damage to our hair during the detangling process. So finding yourself a good tool to detangle and the right products makes for hair goals really. So what I have done, I've done my twist outs not too small because we want a nice big twist out, not too small. So I've taken one section here, done some flat twists going down. Taken another section here, done some flat twists going down. Taken another one up here, just because I want some extra volume, and done some flat twists going down. What I've done at the end now, I've taken a few strands and I've stretched it and pulled it over and done a bobby pin. On this side, I've stretched them, come over this side and bobby pinned. Why have I done that? I've done that so that as the hair dries, it will dry in that stretched state. So then once the hair is completely dry and I remove the bobby pins, she will still have her length, because we know that shrinkage is real. That's right, ladies. That's right. So coming around to the front here, how are we going to do a twist out? Sometimes, have you ever done a twist out and then you go to remove it and it's like, oh, what is? Yeah, it's like I'm putting all that effort, all that product, and what's happened? I've got some just fluff just going on. Well, I tell you, it could be a combination of not using the right products and also how you're actually doing the twist out. So, I will show you what I do. So her hair is still a bit damp from where we had washed it earlier, but I'm going to spray her down with just some water, just to extra without getting her fabulous makeup. Guys, you agree? Their makeup looks amazing, right?
Yeah.
Yes! Right, so you're going to spray us down. Before becoming natural, water used to be my enemy. If it started raining, I would run, I'll take off any clothes to cover my hair, just to make sure it doesn't get wet. But now, if you're natural, guys, water is our friend. You can get totally saturated. Alright, going right in. And now, I'm going to go in with the As I Am Grow Yogurt Leave-In Conditioner. It is a new one, guys. It's a new one. The Leave-In Conditioner from the Core range, that has already won an award because it's absolutely amazing. This new range is not... This new range is not only going to condition your hair, but it's going to strengthen as well in the process. Why? Because it still has, thank you very much, the passion fruit and pomegranate I was talking about earlier. So I've got my leave-in conditioner. I'm going in, I'm going to fully saturate all the hair. It took me, I will say this, I always find a camera and say that, it took me 5 years within my hair growth journey to learn that leave-in conditioner is the key to life. Say it with me, leave-in conditioner
is the key to life.
To life, people. Before you do anything, before you put on anything on your hair, put a leave-in conditioner on first, and that will prepare the hair ready for the next part you're going to do. So I'll put my leave-in conditioner. Now I'm going to go in with my twist defining cream. And because it's a cream, when it dries, it doesn't leave the hair flaky or hard. So you can still manipulate the hair afterwards. That is exactly what we want from a product when we're going to do a twist out. So we have a little bit of shaving. I'm going to dry my hair.
Sorry, what's it called again, the product?
The one I just put on there, the Twist Defining Cream from the Core range. Okay, so to start our twist out, is that a good angle for everybody? Should I move around? It's okay? Alright, so these sections here, whenever you do your twist out, determine where's your parting going to be, and do you want to hide your forehead like me? Or do you want to have some hair coming down? Our hair is coming down this way because this is the side that she poses. So with our twist out, we are going to come in here and we have 15 minutes still. You see I've taken this little section here. I'm just going to make that into 2. And now we are going to twist and grab. Twist and grab. Say it with me. Twist, and grab. Twist and grab. Yes. Because you need motivation when you're doing natural hair. Because once you get to the back, you're like, oh God, I'm tired. So motivate yourself. Motivate yourself. Like, twist and grab. I can do it. It's 6 a.m., but it's soon time. And this point here, this is where you need to make sure you pay more attention and that you are doing it properly. Make sure that the hair is detangled with our fabulous brush that I'm not sponsored to talk about, but that's another thing. And then we're going a little bit more of our twist defining. If you feel like the ends haven't got enough, put that on there, or make sure it's on the tips of your fingers. And what I learned from my Nigerian sisters is that you twist, and then go over. Yes, twist and go over. Twist and go. Twist. Motivation, ladies. Twist and go. Twist and go.
Twist and go.
Yes, yes. Excellent. Excellent. Twist and go. Twist and go. My Nigerian sisters, they go quick. I'm like, I need to get to that goal. And then once you got to the end here, that's when you come with your bobby pin and you pull. I tend to go with a different color to the hair so you can pinpoint them in case it's twirling. You pull, pull, pull. Not pull so like you got a headache, and then just pop your bobby pin in there to secure them. There we go. I'll do another one here so that we can see. So what am I going to do now with this section?
Leave-in.
Leave-in. Why is that?
Because you always need the leave-in before you put our product on.
That's it, because it's the key to
Life, that's
life. It really is. I'm sharing this with you. Nobody shared it with me. I had to learn on my own on the hard way. Leave-in conditioner, it would change your life. And as I am, we have 3 different types of leave-in conditioners. I explained about the leave-in we have. We also have a detangling leave-in conditioner that's got additional amla oil within it to detangle the hair, and it's got some wheat keratin to actually protect the hair during your braiding process. Because if you pull in too much, if you tug in too much, you can cause breakage as well. And I'm going in with some more Twister Fining Cream onto this section now. Going through, and with these products, remember, a little bit goes a long way because you have a high content of ingredients in each of these products. So now I'm going to go in with my 2 sections at the beginning here, and we are going to twist and
Grab.
motivation.
Twist and grab. Twist and grab.
Twist and grab. Yes. Twist and grab. Twist and grab.
Are you still twisting like you were taught to at that point, or is it just when it comes off of the...
I'm just twisting and grabbing at this point.
Okay.
It's down here that the key to life is gonna happen. We make sure that we're thoroughly detangled using our brush. And then we're making sure we've got a bit more of that twister finding down at the ends. Because what will happen when you release, I'm telling you, when you release these twist starts, you have a beautiful succession. Hello, my lady. Oh, you waving at her through the mirror. Very smart. Lovely. So we're twisting and going, and then for the friend that just arrived, someone tell her what we're going to do with this bit at the end here?
We're going to pin it to the back.
That's right. We're going to pin it to the back because we know that with natural hair, shrinkage is
Real.
also real, ladies. So we're going to pin that to the side. We're going to do one more.